This forgotten railcar stood rotting in silence, buried in rust, weeds, broken glass and rain. First, we clear the track, strip the damage, and cut away years of decay. Then the shell is rebuilt, new steel, fresh windows, sealed seams, and a clean skin. Outside, the wagon returns to life. But inside, the real transformation is just beginning. We strip it to the bones, removing rotten wood, broken seats, wiring, grime, and dust. Frame by frame, a home takes shape. New floors, warm timber, storage, lights, and comfort. And at last, this abandoned carriage becomes a beautiful tiny home on rails again.